Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pudding with no oven. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. This easy guide will walk you through creating a delightful, creamy dessert without ever turning on your oven. It's a fantastic option for a quick treat or when you want to avoid heating up your kitchen. You'll be surprised how simple and satisfying this no-bake method truly is. To begin, let's make sure you have everything ready. You'll need about 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Don't forget your chosen flavoring like vanilla extract or cocoa powder. For equipment, grab a medium saucepan, a whisk, and some heat-safe bowls or a single large dish for chilling your pudding. Having these items prepared makes the process smooth. Now let's get cooking. In your saucepan, whisk together the sugar and cornstarch. Slowly pour in the cold milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Place the pan over medium heat. Stir constantly with your whisk for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll notice the mixture thickening considerably, reaching a lovely, creamy consistency. This constant stirring is key to a smooth pudding. Once thickened, remove the pudding from the heat. Stir in your vanilla extract, cocoa powder, or other flavorings until well combined. Carefully pour the hot pudding into your prepared serving dishes or a larger bowl. To prevent a skin from forming, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the pudding. Finally, refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until it's perfectly chilled and set. Enjoy your homemade, no-bake treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.